See, I left my teddy here. My teddy's in the kitchen. You guys, say hi to them. Say hi. See, he's here. He's resting. So, I'm about to set up and start doing some work here. So yeah, my mic is here, my mouse is here, my laptop, and let's set up and start filming. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. See eye bags, or what do you guys call it? Guys, these days I'll sleep very late. What am I doing? I'm seeing a movie. Let me know in the comment section if you have watched Money Heist. I've been hearing of that movie since, but I didn't know that Money Heist was this really interesting. So that is what has been keeping me. I'm in part 3 now, episode 3. That means I'm done with part 1, part 2. Then I'm in part 3, episode 3. So that is what is giving me all this. I'll sleep by 4 a.m. or more. Then I'll wake up very early in the morning because I need to make breakfast for Hubby and then do other things like make my house clean and the rest of that. In fact, sometimes when I go back to bed, like after making breakfast for Hubby, when I go back to bed, I wake up like 10, 12 because I don't know, my body is like accustomed to it. Like 10 o'clock I must wake up, 10 a.m. in the morning I must wake up, even if I sleep by 6 a.m. or I sleep by 7 a.m. So I don't know why. Anyways, once I'm done with my video, once I'm done with my movie, these eye bags will just go off, okay? So yeah, Money Heist. If you've not watched Money Heist or you've not seen Money Heist, because I said you don't watch movies, you see movies, then go and watch Money Heist, okay? Money Heist, my God, it's a movie for everyone. If you love American movie, or not those ones that are not really all this now Hollywood nonsense. Anyways, I want to film a video. I have a setup here, so let me just start doing my video for my 2 channel, okay? Yeah. So yeah, before we start, let's do some guys, I just want to play small before I start filming. Life is not easy. It's not easy. Nothing is easy, seriously. If you think YouTube is hard, try working for a company. If you think working for a company is hard, try hawking. If you think hawking is hard, try opening a shop. Nothing is easy. Nothing. Life not easy, no balance, but we move despite everything. Anyways, I just need to change up this my top to my YouTube costume top. Then I start filming. Let me go and bring it. I've changed. See. Anyways, I want to start filming and yeah. So I'll be filming for my 2 channel, Vibe with Sonia and then Sonia Onoja's channel, okay? The owner of this polo. The owner of this t-shirt. So anyways, my mom-in-law is coming and my mom-in-law, my sister-in-law and my brother-in-law. 3 of them. They are coming. See, I can't lie, I personally called them to come because since my mom left, I'm really bored, okay? And I just want a situation whereby I need someone to like talk to. So I told them to come for the weekend and she'll be like, okay, no problem. So they are coming. This house is going to be making noise. Aton a winch, okay? So yeah, let me just start filming. I just slot in. Okay, so this is the struggle I used to pass through filming video because I've not gotten a proper mic yet. This is mic, but I'll not say it's really too proper yet because this mic I must have to pass it through my clothes to get what I want. See, I'm foam, don't fall. Oh, so yeah, put it back because of breeze and every other stuff. So if you don't have money, you want to get a cheaper mic, you can go for this Lavala microphone. I say microphone. So just see the pack and go for it, okay? So it's cheap, but it's doing the job. Anyways, the video I'm about to film will require me to use a laptop, and I'll see you guys later after filming my video. I am coming, guys. I'm filming a video. My mother-in-law is here. I have to end her call. I'm removing my mic. Oh, you open now. Are you seeing the devil? How did I attach this? Okay, fine. So let's open the door for her. Lights where they see. That's why I bring that in. Maybe you now. No, the system be the work since now. See, guys, I'm gonna see you guys later, okay? I actually want to say hi.
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 Hi, guys.
I'm saying she should do YouTube channel. She says no now. When the time comes, you guys will subscribe.
That is hot.
You guys will get hot. I'll see you guys later. This is the tribe called Judah. So let me continue filming my video. Okay, let's do it like that. Okay. Yeah? Off it now. Hey guys, welcome to another beautiful vlog. Happy Sunday. How you guys doing? Hope you guys are fine. Hope you guys are good. So guys, we are about to go to church. We're going for the 4th service. If you're in Salvation Ministry members, you know that we have 4 service. So we're going for the 4th one, which is by 11 a.m. and yeah, see you guys later. Baby, say hi.
Bless you. Available at the Lloyd Center. Get for your too. For visit our e-store@smhstore.com. Immediately the 4th service or take this message and all the messages in and copy your flash drive or subscribe to our lectures on MP3 and DVD. And lots of materials found.
Guys, we are back from church. Yeah, we're back from church. So I want to sleep because my eyes are paining me. I'm still seeing my movie. I'm not done with my movie, so I want to sleep. My hubby too wants to sleep. Want to sleep, afternoon sleep, or is it a nap? What do you guys call it? Is it a nap? So want to nap, and then I wake up later to like do TikTok live stream and do other things. But with eating, okay? Yeah. So see you guys later.